In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot when you encounter a warning message from ChatGPT. Now, maybe you've seen one of those alerts that interrupt your conversation flow, and you're probably wondering why it even showed up in the first place. There are a few common reasons you might experience this. Sometimes, your input might inadvertently contain sensitive content, such as mentions of violence, adult themes, or hate speech, which can trigger these warnings. Other times, the system might mistakenly flag perfectly normal text due to certain keywords or phrases that it misinterprets. Additionally, bugs or temporary server issues can also play a role in these inconveniences. Understanding these causes lays the foundation for effectively resolving the issue. Once you're armed with this understanding, the first step to take is a simple one: refresh and retry. This may sound obvious, but it's often the best first step. Reload the page if you're on a browser, or restart the ChatGPT app if you're using that. Sometimes these warnings result from a temporary glitch or connection hiccup, and a simple refresh can make all the difference. After refreshing, try sending your message again to see if the issue resolves itself. If refreshing doesn't solve the problem, then it's time to rephrase your prompt. Carefully consider the words you're using. Some words can trigger the system's sensors unnecessarily. Words like kill, sex, and drugs might lead to warnings even when your intent is entirely harmless. To avoid this, try using more neutral or professional language. For example, if you're tempted to ask how to kill bugs, it might be better to say how to get rid of pests. This small adjustment can help you dodge the warning and continue your conversation seamlessly. Next up, let's ensure your internet connection and cache are in top shape. A weak or unstable internet connection can contribute to the problem, as can an outdated cache. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can be a good step, and if you're using the ChatGPT app, consider reinstalling it to refresh its settings and data. Doing so can remove any underlying errors causing the warning to appear. Finally, make sure that both ChatGPT and your browser are up to date. Outdated software can be problematic, as newer updates might contain important bug fixes and improvements essential for smooth operation. Regularly checking for updates and installations can help ensure everything functions correctly. By following these steps, understanding why the warning happens, refreshing and retrying, rephrasing your wording, checking your internet and cache, and updating your software, you'll be well equipped to deal with these interruptions more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your experience a bit smoother.